Okay, y'all, so done my eyebrow. Let me calm my eyebrows down. I went kind of raise it happy. So I got these from Amazon right here. And I be having my good days and my bad days with my eyebrows. So I bought some little stencils. But as you can see, like my eyebrow kind of look like this. No? Yeah, kind of like this. So I messed up on this eyebrow earlier cutting it. So I'm gonna see if I can kind of fill it in. Now, I don't really want my eyebrows this big. So let me see if I can find a smaller one. I wrote a letter to myself. Here we go. We got another stencil right here. So remember when you're doing your eyebrows, you need to do the front part light. So I'm gonna do this one right here. My eyebrows long. My eyebrows don't even fit in the stencil. Jesus. We're gonna do it right here. Oh Jesus. Remember this part dark. Oh Jesus. Yo, don't concentrate. Do this part soft. Jesus. Hmm. It gave me a little shape or whatever. You probably just have to go and clean it up. And then, give me a little shape. And then you'll use your little brush. Let me go get my stuff. Use whatever this brush called. I don't do makeup. I just used to use whatever this brush called. And y'all, my eyebrows naturally long. Use whatever this brush called. And then, oh Jesus. Don't come out the light. Don't come out the light. Okay. And then just conceal it. Oh Jesus. I'm good. I gotta go in the mirror. I can't do this on camera. And I outlined the shape. Okay. So this little pack right here, it comes with a good little bit of them. Come with a good little bit. So pretty much just color it in and then just use your concealer. And I use Toffee Pro Concealer. Everybody uses Pro Concealer. I use this and I just outline a shape. I could still kind of go up a little bit in there, but that's the shape it gave me. But yeah, I'll leave everything in the description bar below. And they have like different shapes and stuff. So they have all these different shapes. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below.